America calling. This video is for plastic surgeons and dermatologists who wish to enter to the field of hair restoration. If you're already doing hair restoration and you want to upgrade your skills, this video is for you. Or if you are a plastic or a dermat or an aesthetic physician who wish to add a hair restoration division to your practice, this video is for you. Dear doctors, remember, hair baldness epidemic is growing. Are you ready to treat it? Have you been prepared to treat it? So here it is. Baldness, big global epidemic. Solutions, hair transplant. Now, it is advisable for you to attend top doctors' hair restoration workshop across the globe. Why? Because every doctor and every team will bring something new to the table. It will upgrade your skill. Even we are learning every day, every month, and throughout. So to know more about this workshop, its duration, its faculty, its affiliation, its accreditations, its dates, remember it's only for 10 doctors. Limited seats booked now. We come to one country once a year only. So this year, 2026, we're coming to you. Then we come in 2027. So only for 10 doctors, don't miss it. What will have? Instant FUE, absolutely new, came from India. The instant FUE, where out of the body time of the scalp grafts is reduced. Number two, what is cell FUE? What is fat hair transplant? That is introducing certain components of adipocytes into your hair restoration, which in FUE the hair grafts are missing compared to FUT. What is the business of hair restoration? What is hair cinema? How do you project to the world who you are and what you do? Because in today's world, not just being a best surgeon, you got to project outside what do you offer, your results, your communications, your branding, your positioning. So we are there with you, not just technical support, but also business support. So this is a 360-degree workshop. Hold our hand. We are your mentors and we take you in this journey of your hair restoration practice. So WhatsApp to the number below or mail us to know more.